Welcome to my amateur fruit and veg garden series. Over here we have a Pinstripe Aubergine companion planting with Tyme. We have my lemon plant with one lemon at the moment with some baby ones, companion planting with Chive. Mint plant number 1. Here is my cherry blossom tree, which is Prunus incisa, aka Kojo-no-mai. This is a very sad story. It was a strawberry plant with basil, and my strawberry plant had one strawberry which I ate, and then it died. Over here we have 2 tomato plants. Tomato plant 1, tomato plant 2. Number 2 is quite short. Please don't ask me which type. All I know is that it's a Moneymaker which is producing baby tomatoes. I companion planted it with marigold plants that I got from the supermarket. This one is a yellow one. I can't remember the name. I'll look it up and I'll put it somewhere. And companion planted with basil that I also got from the supermarket. By the way, the thyme, the chive, the mint, and also that basil came from the supermarket. Today we have planted potatoes, so we'll see how that goes in the next few weeks to months. There is my mint number 2. Here I planted basil, a dark basil, from seed Basilicious, and spinach beet, Perpetual. We'll see how that turns out. My uncle had a barbecue for my cousin a couple weekends back, and this was the top of the pineapple, so we'll see how that goes. Here I planted a whole clove of garlic from the supermarket. As you can see, it's grown through, so I'm excited to see how that comes out. And this is a marigold. The top is a bit crispified, but the leaves are still going. Over here is onion blush, and we got more onion blush with Kale Cobra. So today is 29th of May, and hopefully in a month's time, not that it would have extended, but hopefully everything has grown higher. So keep watch.